Like, this is Mike at Subway. He just did something awesome. He ordered a bunch of different toppings. And, oh, Mike, don't cover yourself up. There we go. He is getting a sandwich. Oh, look, there's the wallet. He's getting a sandwich. You know, this is going to be on Facebook, right? Oh, he didn't get the chips and a drink. Oh, he didn't go for the cookies. Oh, I'm sorry that you didn't. I'm officially sorry that he didn't get the cookies. Look, it's like MTV True Life. This is the no, I'm sorry. Yeah, it's True Life. True Life. I'm a Subway buyer. Hey, I'm going off to Subway to buy a sandwich, an Italian BLT. I'm addicted to the veggies. Every time you get veggies, I'm like, oh. Look, oh, good, very polite, Mike. I'm gonna go get my veggie sandwich, Italian BMT. It was that bacon, mayonnaise, and tomato?
I don't know.
Why'd you say BMT then? BLT. Bacon, lettuce, and tomato.
There's no lettuce. I mean, there's no tomatoes.
Then what would you call it? No. Random. So random. Now I'm going, but.